today I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami baby dragon, and this model is a difficult model. So you're going to start with a square piece of origami paper. You're going to fold it in half diagonally. Okay. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to open it up and turn it and fold it again and only make a pinch mark right there. Okay. Now you're going to fold this edge up to there and only have a pinch mark. Okay. And then unfold and then fold the top corner down and crease all the way along. Now fold the top edge down and then same thing here. Okay. Then open it and fold it, all those creases, and then fold this flat over. Okay, now you're going to open this flap up and fold that down, just like that. Okay. You're going to fold these top edges to the center. Okay. You're going to open it up and fold this edge over like that. Okay. And fold the bottom edge over. Just like that. And then open up. And fold that in. And fold that corner down. Okay, now you're going to fold that over and repeat on this side. Okay, now you're going to fold that over, and there we go. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to fold that up, and then turn your model over, and then fold these top edges to the center. Okay. Now you're going to take this side and open it up. And then fold the edges to the center. And then open this up. Just like that, and then fold it down, and then fold it over, and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now that you have that done, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to fold this down to there. Then we're going to make a crease from that corner up to there, and then over here also. So 2 creases, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to fold in half. Fold your model in half like that. Folding all of the paper behind like that. Okay. So now that you have that, you're going to open this up. Fold that up, fold it over, and that creates one of the arms. And turn over and repeat. Okay, so now that you have that done, the next thing that we're going to do is, okay, so once you have that done, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take this paper that is sticking out and you're going to fold it behind the rest of the model like that. And then same thing on this side. Okay. There. Okay. So now that we have that done, you're going to take this small triangle and you're going to fold it up and inside. Just like that. Okay. Now you're going to unfold the back of the head, just like that, and you're going to fold it over or back, and then back again, and then fold it in half. Okay? Now you're going to fold that part of the head inwards, but make the tip of it pointing outwards to form the mouth. Okay. Now that that's done, we're going to open up this little flap, just like that, and then the same thing on the side. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to pinch the ears just like that, and this one too, just like that, and then point them up a little. You're going to fold the wing over, just like that, and the same thing over here. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to fold the tail backwards. Then going to open this up and fold it outwards, and then back down like that, and then pinch the arms, and your baby dragon is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for any origami instructions that you'd like to fold. So have a good day, keep folding, and I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!